I'm getting ready to boil some corn for supper. I've got 6 nice ears of fresh corn, so I'm getting ready to do this. I've got about 6 cups of water in my Dutch oven. I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. Now I'm going to add some salt. If I can open it. And some pepper. Now I'm going to bring that to a boil, and then I'm going to put the corn in there. And when I get ready to do that, I'll be back. Oh, I almost forgot. You're going to need a stick of butter. I've got unsalted, so that's what I'm using. You're going to add it into the water and milk. So I'm going to put my stick of butter in. Let it be melting in there with the milk and the water, and let it all come to a boil. Okay, this is boiling, so I'm going to start dropping the corn in. Gonna have to move some of it around to try to get it covered. Gonna let it come back up to a boil, and then I'm gonna reduce the heat, and I'm gonna cook them for about 12 minutes. Boiling, and since I'm using my Dutch oven, I'm gonna put my lid on it, and I'm gonna turn the heat down, and then I'm gonna cook it about 12 minutes. Now I'm cooking some bone-in chicken thighs, and I'm going to be barbecuing them, but I'm going to do it in the skillet. This is how I like to do it, and I will be back in just a little bit and show you how I do it. These chicken thighs are starting to get brown. I'm going to trim some more of the fat off from them, and then drain all the grease. I got one more to get in the skillet, and then after I do all that, I'll be putting barbecue sauce on. I'll show y'all that here in a little bit. Y'all, there's the corn on the cob. I didn't barbecue the chicken. I just went ahead and cooked it, and it's hot in this kitchen. It's 93 out, and it feels like it's 108, and it feels like it's 108 in this house. So, anyway, this is what they're getting. Oh, we got some little tomatoes here, so I think it's going to be a really good supper. Hope y'all have had a blessed day. Remember, it's going to be okay, and I love y'all. This old girl's going to go in here and sit down. I hope y'all have a good evening.